Hello there and welcome to Linux S2O. And it's been some time since I have published any content on the Linux S2O, but here I am. And I just realized that I have not published the Linux themes update for the month of October. So this is the video about that. So for this month, I have got 6 new themes packed for you guys, and these are 2 GTK themes, 2 icon packs, 1 cursor theme, and 1 bootloader theme for the grub. So the first one in the list is macOS Mojave theme. This theme is inspired by the macOS Mojave and it tries to mimic that. So if you have this theme in your system, then your system will look like macOS Mojave. Now this theme supports a lot of desktop environments like GNOME, Unity, Budgie, Pantheon, Cinnamon, XFCE, Mate, etc, etc. So the list is pretty long, so you can literally use this theme in any Linux desktop environment. So this is how it looks like, and it comes in 2 variants, the dark one and the light one. And you can get it using the link given in the description. You will find all the links there. Next in the list is White Sur ZDK theme, and as you can guess, this theme is inspired from the Mac OS Big Sur edition. So Big Sur is the latest version for the Mac OS, and they have made significant changes in that version of the Mac OS, and this theme tries to mimic those changes into Linux environments as well. And this theme also developed by the same designers and developers who developed macOS Mojave theme. So you will get all the features of the previous theme as well, and it is a well designed theme. I mean, there are many themes for Linux, but there are only few themes that are well designed. So these were the 2 ZDK themes, because some of you have shown the interest that you want to make your distribution look like Mac OS. Next we have the 2 icon packs for you guys. These 2 icon packs are similar, but they have different shape of the icon. So the first one is inverse icon theme pack, and it comes with of course 2 variants, the dark one and the light one, and it has circular icon design. It looks amazing on Linux desktops. Of course, when you apply a new theme on a Linux desktop, then it starts to look amazing. The good part about this theme is that it has got inspirations from the legend icon packs like Numix, Paper and Peppers. So it looks pretty lit. The next is reverse icon theme pack, and this is same as the inverse, but the icon have a round square design. So you get all the perks from the inverse icon pack theme, but the shape of the icon is different. You can get it using the link provided in the description, of course. So moving on to the cursor theme here, and for that I have again macOS Big Sur cursor icon pack. This is because of the aesthetics that you probably want if you want to make your Linux distribution look like Mac OS. So this cursor theme is inspired from the Big Sur cursor, and the good thing about this cursor icon pack is that it is designed by the same guys who designed Bibata cursor icons, and those guys are pretty lit. Lastly, we have the grub theme for Linux, and this is Linux Mint, and it is pretty minimalistic looking grub bootloader theme, and it goes pretty well with the macOS inspired themes that I've showed earlier in this video. You can install it in your system. So you can download using the provided link in the description, and simply copy the content of the theme into the bootloader theme folder. Then it will automatically get applied. So these were the 6 themes for Linux. I hope you find these themes interesting. Let me know if you use any particular theme to make your Linux distribution look like Mac OS that I probably have missed in this video, and I will include it in the blog post. So I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.